First, we go to /storage/emulated/0/movies. And I got some videos here in the video processing directory. I'll pick one. And I'll go back to 0 movies, video drop. Oh, it's already there. I'll click cancel. I'll come out, go to Ziggle Wump Media Compressor, and check this out, number 10, set conversion profile. Whoops. Okay. Now I have various profiles here, from 2-hour CD all the way up to 24-hour DVD, dual DVDs, all your various resolutions, your streaming speeds all the way down to 56K, and all of your devices here at the bottom. Let's see what I'll pick. '90s game console? No. 56K. I want to see 56K. Click on OK. Click on Press Files. And OK. And watch it go. Now this process doesn't take too long. This is probably about a minute file. It's already finished, about 15 seconds. It's at 58 kilobits per second, 75, it'll average out. So if worse comes to worse, you'll download it on your 56K modem. If you have one, if you have a computer that has a 56K modem in 2024, you can make videos for it with Ziggle Wump and play them from your NAS server online. It's almost done. It goes over. It's not strictly 56K. Now, check the video converted folder, and here it is, TMNT. Now, I've never seen 56K video that looked like that. That was normally a slideshow back in the day. That was pretty good.